Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking a quick look here at Avalanche, seeing what's going on. This coin's looking pretty solid. We're going to talk about the reasons why the price may likely continue higher. We're seeing a lot of bullish convergences here, and then obviously help understand best practice and big picture here for us. So again, if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. If you do want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a website. Link down below where you can become a better trader. We got a lot of new traders over there, and I just recommend highly you read through my signals guide if you haven't already. Make sure you understand how the signals work. Quick congrats to those who are actually using the signals the way they're supposed to be. Taking nice profits, 50% from Solana in 6 days, Bitcoin 7 days, 62%, and Polkadot along we took yesterday at about 18% so far. We're considering an AVAX long here, honestly, depending on how things work out. This weekend could be very strong for a lot of alts. Also got to recognize it could be very weak too because of Bitcoin dominance being so high, we could very well see a sell-off from altcoins. So just be mindful that is still a thing. Just taking a quick look here, let's go ahead and jump into AVAX. Let's find the right chart and kind of see what the liquidation levels look like here in the last 7 days. Probably just nothing but shorts getting demolished, which is very true. Funny, I got the question in my community chat here today, like, hey man, why do you not recommend taking shorts right now in the market? You should probably take a look at this. This is the reason why shorts are getting destroyed. Again, I know this isn't like an easy explanation, right? A lot of times you're better off waiting to take a long position than you are to take a short in a bullish uptrend. And that's where we're at right now, folks. No matter how you look at it, if you're a perma bear, I'm sorry for you. In fact, speaking of which, this makes me laugh here. Watch this video here. Bitcoiners laughing, having a good time. And fortunately, those shorts at 12K never happened. They're just still waiting. And we're up 250% instead, right? Or more so, I would say 20-25% because a lot of us added to our positions at 40K for Bitcoin. But generally speaking here for AVAX, is it worthwhile? Let's find out. Enough about the enough sidebars. Sorry, I do have a tendency of doing that. You got to keep me on track, just because I have a tendency of I don't know. A lot of people come to me trying to help, trying to get help to recover their accounts when truth is a lot of it comes from within. You have to change your mindset and your risk tolerance. Thankfully, my trading university does explain that, but again, not everybody listens to that or watches it anyways. Check it out in your own time. Cryptocash.tech as a site. So here's the thing. Positive stuff here. As long as we can close above $37, I kind of talked about this previously, the most recent high, we're going to be in good shape. Okay. Now, I know a lot of people, unfortunately, that were shorting this coin leading into this last push. If you're shorting any kind of altcoin right now with Bitcoin's cranking up to 49K, I'm sorry, what are you doing with yourself? This is a prime example. Blast straight through a resistance level, not even a problem. So the truth here is that 50-day SMA being below the price action now, likely we're going to close in 5 hours above that level. $37 is a round number. It's going to be the new support. Okay, that's kind of what we can summarize. We've got an ascending trend here running concurrent with the 20-day SMA. We can see RSI is just getting started. Traditional money flow index here is very, very high, and so is stochastic RSI swinging upwards for the second time. Second swing is always the most impactful. Okay, so again, phenomenal stuff here, folks. We're looking really good, bullish on every single front. Zero reason to short this coin from a bird's eye view. Let's take a closer look though. 4 hour time frame here. We'll go ahead and update our fibs here a little bit later. I'll send that out a little bit later. Actually, let's leave that on the charts just so we can kind of get perspective of that most recent trend line, that more recent support level, just so we can kind of pay attention to that guy. Okay, so at this point here, 4 hour time frame looks pretty bullish. All moving averages below the price action. We can see traditional RSI is above 70. That is actually a good sign because when the RSI gets above 70, you can usually go about 24 to 48 hours without it pulling back. That just implies that now we've broken that resistance level, it's probably more likely to run than it is to pull back. And if it does pull back, we'll see a bounce off that level. So we want to pay attention to 70 on the RSI. Generally speaking, the concept for the RSI, if you're going to be taking profit, is to take profit when the RSI crosses back below that level, 70 being that level. Again, just something to think about. Stochastic swing to the upside. Money flow index is still very high. We're seeing the same qualities for most coins right now. Money flow index is extremely high. As long as that stays there, we should be in good shape, and that goes for Bitcoin too. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin continues to rally to 50, 52K to meet that monthly resistance level. Either way you look at it here, AVAX is super strong on every time frame. The thing that is present in most coins here is overextension. We came up to a 9 here previously. Nice little ascending type of pattern there, and we can see the price action broke out to the upside. Now that it's broken, we can just presume that this has got a little bit of reset here, because even though we're at a 9 plus 4, we had 12 to 24 hours of consolidation. This range between 35 and 36. So that warranted this leg up. We're probably only in like a 3 right now. So we're 12 hours of continuation of this push that could literally last 36 to 72 hours. So I don't think AVAX is going to slow down anytime soon, especially with Bitcoin scraping, just like, look at that, just blasted through 48,000, like nothing, okay? So awesome stuff there. Keep in mind, Bitcoin pulls back if and when it does. I'm not expecting it to right away, but if it does, profits will be taken on coins like this, and coins will drop in value. Okay, so it's important to kind of either stay on the sidelines or take a riskier trade by shorting into the market. It makes no sense to shorten the market to me personally, just because I think with the bullish trend that we're in right now, you're only swimming upstream, and it's a lot more work than is necessary. But me personally, I'm long biased at all times. I'm going to take 80% of my trades are going to be long trades. The only 50%, or sorry, the 20% that I have that I like to take shorts with is when I have full confirmation. And it takes a while to get confirmation on the shorts right now when the price is so overextended. It literally takes days. So that's why you don't see me take a lot of shorts, because we're still in a bullish uptrend, right? We have been for months. So please get that through your head. If you're a perma bear, I'm sorry for you. You'll get your time. Don't get me wrong. Everyone has their moment. I just don't think it's going to be right away. Well, I think we're going to have a few more days or weeks before the price pulls back. And a lot of people are thinking 36, 35K is still possible. I really don't think it's going to become a completely invalidated here soon. If we break through 50K, I don't think that we're going to be able to see that lower low and all that craziness. I do think 41K was the bottom here for us. Anyways, conversation for another day. Looking at the hourly time frame, let's confirm all green lights here. Do not short this coin. I don't care if it drops as soon as I upload the video. Don't short this coin. It's too risky. It's not worthwhile. There's no indication here at all that we have a consideration for a short position. So please, 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 just be careful. Write out your longs. We got plenty of time here. If you're in a long position, consider taking some profits, but let the rest ride. Move your stop loss to break even. Rinse and repeat for all other altcoins. That's basically what we're doing right now. Taking a lot of profit. So again, congrats to our community members for that healthy amount of profit here. Premium Plus group is also looking pretty good too. It's just that there's a couple of little, like when we have this manipulation in the market, I don't like to recommend utilizing those day trades until the market stabilizes. Because again, you're going to get some false positives. So again, when you're day trading right now, you got to be super careful, and you want to take profits when you can. You can't just set it and forget it. That's not the market we're in right now. Okay, please, please, please understand that. Okay, that's pretty much what we got. The last thing, of course, highly recommend Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below, cryptocash.tech if you want to join our partners. But more important, we use them because there's no VPN or KYC required. Awesome rewards. You use my link to register, and you also get some amazing trading competitions. They're adding like 200 trading pairs later this month too, so it's going to be a really awesome situation. Check them out in your own time. Thank you again so much for watching. Greatly appreciate you liking, subscribing, and following if you haven't already. We'll see you next one. Take care.